So today we're going to unbox the vintage Coach Chubby case. It's style number 6925 and it's in the color red. And this is the original box that it was sold in. So obviously it was nicely preserved. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the box. So here we've got some Coach tissue paper. So here is the Chubby case. It's a great case for makeup or small items that you want to keep separate, or even you could kind of use it as a little clutch if you wanted to. So anyway, it's just a great little size. So I'll go ahead and kind of give you a 360 of it now. So here's the top. The bottom is essentially the same, except that it's got the Coach cartouche stamped right here on the bottom. And it also comes with this little matching mini hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag. And it has a zip closure here, like so. I'll show you the inside more in a second. So here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back. And then we'll open it again, and it's got an inside mirror. You can see, and what's also really nice is it still has the original price tag inside, as well as the inspection tag, and this little sales booklet here. And it's got more tissue paper. So it obviously looks like it wasn't used. And then here's what the interior looks like. It's got this brown lining with the Coach cartouche stamped, or with the Coach cartouche printed on the lining. So yeah, nice little case. So that's the beautiful Chubby case, style number 6925. The name is kind of funny. Coach also made something called a skinny case and a chunky case. So this one's called the Chubby case, probably due to its larger size than the other ones. So anyway, it is available now in our online store if you wanted to check it out. The link will be below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.